What is up, YouTube? We are back. We're in the garage. We're gonna start today's episode off just a little different. We obviously got the S1K, but we have a crazy box right here. It's been a minute since we've added probably anything to this bike. We did get the carbon fiber, the rear mudguard, not too long ago. So the bike looks complete, but there's two things on this bike that's missing in my opinion. And I think it'll change the bike. So go ahead, drop a comment what you guys think it is. But let's get this flipped around and let's get that unboxed. All right, the bike is flipped around. So let's dive into this box just a little bit. Right. The first piece just fell out of the bag, so put that to the side. But we have, I don't know the exact name of this, but this goes on the taillight area back here. Little different weave, but still pretty sick. Set that to the side. And this is the one I'm super excited about. This is the one that I think will change the look of the bike completely. And the next piece that we have, it's a little pain to get out of the box. So I kind of unwrapped it already, but this one is our carbon fiber intake. Look at that. This will sit right where this black plastic is right there. So that'll make the bike look super, super sick. And then when we get a new windshield, you'll be able to see all of this up here through the windshield, but that's a different day. But yeah, let's get everything ripped apart and get these installed. Okay, we got the windshield off. It's over there. We're gonna have to disconnect these. I don't know if you guys can see those. Those are just the wiring to both of the headlights. And we got a couple bolts on each side as well. I think it might be 3 that side, 3 this side. And then up into here, we got a couple bolts underneath there as well. I'm really hoping we don't have to take these side fairings off, but if we do, we'll just end up undoing those so we can kind of squeeze the face out. And then we'll get that one installed. Hopefully we can get to that one today. I do have a shoot later on. That'll be part of the video as well, but we're on a really tight time frame right now. So we're gonna just try to knock out the intake mainly, and then we might focus on the tail a different day. I'm not too sure yet. So we had 2 bolts on this side and then 2 bolts on that side. We're forcing our girlfriend to do unpaid labor. And then this, they do have pins down here as well. Not sure if you guys can really see those. They're like right here. And it'll just slide off, so we can just start sliding off now. Should come off pretty easily, or everything will actually just break. So yeah, these are the push pins, and they go into right here. So right there and there, and then you just have these two, and then there was 2 on each side, so 4 underneath. But yeah, intake's out, so we're gonna disassemble this, get the new intake thrown in. We got the face off now. We got, what is it, 6 bolts in total. We got 3 on this headlight, and we got 3 on this headlight. And then we'll be able to pop the intake off. We're not taking out the headlights completely, so realistically, we probably only need to do these 2 right here, because this entire black part will come out, and then we'll replace it, and then we'll basically reverse our steps on putting it back onto the bike. They do have the 3 clips on each side, and then once you get them pushed down past these little notches right here, you can kind of just take it out. So, old one, get them set side by side real fast. The old one, obviously plastic. Brand new one, full carbon, looks so good. But we'll get that reinstalled, and then it's a pretty easy process. It's just literally what we did. Just putting that back onto the face pieces, the headlights back in, reconnecting the headlights right here, and it's the same thing right there. Getting everything screwed back in, put back on the bike, and I think that should be it. All right, so we finally got the intake in. It looks beautiful. I'm a little worried about this clear coat though. Clear coat isn't the best. The supplier I got it off of needs to lock in low key. But if you come to the back, it took us a while because these bolts right here and here, one of them fit absolutely perfectly, but the other one just didn't want to go in at all. So we had to take a knife and drill around the hole and do all sorts of stupid stuff just to try to get it to fit. But we finally got it. So now we're just gonna throw it on the bike and plug everything in. We finally finished it up. We got the new carbon intake in, and it looks so good. It's just a nice piece for the front in between the beautiful LED lights. We're gonna get this pulled out into the sun, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like out there as well. But we should be able to get to this sometime soon, hopefully in this video. If not, it'll be in the next video, more than likely. Other than that, yeah, let's get it pulled out there real fast, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in the sun. The bike somewhat cleaned up. We do have a photo shoot we're going to, so we're gonna ride to that as well. That'll be part of today's video. But all the carbon is really coming along together. Once again, I know I've said this like 8 times now, but that piece back there is next. And I think that'll basically complete the S1K build, like just totally. We do need to get some mirror block offs. They look ugly, so don't shame me in the comments or anything like that. But yeah, let's clean it up and let's get out and go ride. All right, we are out on the bike now. We're heading up to go get this photo shoot done. It's about 30-ish minutes, give or take. Just depends on traffic as well. I'm really not sure if it's gonna be busy or just a nice flow overall. I'm hoping it's a nice flow. It's also a little weird to ride alone. I haven't ridden alone in who knows how long. It's been a while. Besides the R7 video, I haven't really ridden, so. But we are gonna go and grab some gas real fast. We haven't filled up in quite a while. Maybe that'll make the bike happy. I don't know. I really don't know. We do have our 18,000 mile service planned as well, thankfully. That should be hopefully soon, I would imagine. It'll probably be into next week just because we have a lot going on this week with videos on YouTube. I'm really excited for next week's video, so stay tuned for that one. I'm so excited to get our 18,000 mile service done, because on top of that, we're also getting our quick shifter fixed, and it is such a pain. Let me tell you, it is so bad not having the quick shifter and the auto blipper work. Hey, you got another bike over there. So hopefully, whichever dealer we take it to, we've been calling around and getting quotes. It's pretty expensive, unfortunately, so that's kind of why we've held it off for so long. So hopefully they'll be able to get in, just reset it really fast. It doesn't cost us a bunch, and we'll be good. All right, $10 for gas. Yeah, we were low. Usually it's around the $5-ish to $6-ish mark, give or take. Usually after we get gas, our quick shifter likes to work. Let's see. That's it. I don't know why. It's like, it's so strange. It's so weird. It's like topping off the bike completely with gas. It makes the bike feel so much better all around. And that's the thing, guys, I never get low. Funny enough, funny story for you guys. When I first got this bike, obviously I rode it, and then I rode it around where I live, and the gas light came on because I got low on gas. But when the gas light came on, it almost like put the S1K into like some sort of limp mode. I don't know what happened, what was the cause of it, anything like that, but it was like I was in a rain mode, you know what I mean? For everybody that doesn't know what rain mode is, it's just a mode on the bike where it feels like it cranks down the power a bunch, and it does, so you can ride in the rain a little safer. Obviously not like guaranteed safety, but a lot safer. But it went into limp mode, and I could not get it out no matter how many times I filled it up or anything like that. I switched to a different mode. I'm in slick mode, and I've stayed in slick mode since that happened. That was probably like a year and a half ago. We've had this bike, I want to say somewhere around 2-ish years. Traffic doesn't look too bad right now. Hopefully it stays like this. I'm not excited for the ride home, because the ride home is when I just can't see anything at all. We're trying to get sunset pictures, so we probably should have left a little earlier and planned for it, like 7:40-ish, 7:30, but we're meeting up with him at about 8 o'clock, so it really shouldn't be too bad at all. That's one way to do it. Everybody that I see that's on oncoming traffic, they never wave or anything. We'll usually just have a stare down and call it there. To give you guys a little bit more context on this photo shoot, we've been planning this for about a month and a half, I want to say, to maybe 2 months now. And we haven't been able to capitalize on it because whenever he's free to get the shoot done, I'm extremely busy.
And whenever, well, I can't really say he's not busy, because every time we like plan on something, the weather is just horrible. So we always had, like, I was supposed to go to the shoot yesterday actually, but you do just out of nowhere it decided to thunderstorm. That's kind of what we've been dealing with, back and forth, just constant of. And then I told him today, like, I don't care if it snows, at this point we need to get this shoot done. So here we are. But he's been really cool about it. I'm thankful, because honestly I know there's some photographers out there that would get pissed at how much postponing we've done. It is hot, it's so warm. I love this weather, I really do, but good grief, it gets a little too warm sometimes, especially if you're out riding like I am right now, or even throughout like middle of the day. It gets way too hot. We almost got hit by an Asian lady. I would say we made some pretty good time today. There wasn't a bunch of traffic, thankfully. Let me tell you, I hate traffic on the bike. I hate it, even in the car. Oh my god, lordy, it's pretty bad. All right, let's get into this parking lot. No handicap parking, that's kind of messed up. Bike feels like it's kind of bogging. Let me tell you guys, I'm so excited to get this 18,000 mile service done. My bank account isn't, but I am. Oh, he's over there. Oh yeah. Oh, what's going on?
You look way too good, to be honest.
Appreciate that. All right, boss, where do you want me?
Okay, so there's a couple things.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna talk to you about what you're comfortable with.
Okay.
And where you want to go.
Okay.
Like, because obviously like, there's obviously like right here in the parking lot, and there's like on sidewalks or on like this strip of
gravel. I'm down for whatever.
You're down for whatever.
As long as I don't got to go down like stairs. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I should be good. So.
But my first was like right here next to this garbage can.
Okay.
But in order to get there, you see this pathway.
Yeah, at the very end.
You have to go around and up this gravel trail, and just end up right there.
Okay, which way do you want the bike facing?
Facing this way.
Yeah. So, okay. You want to just start there? Middle of the path, more towards the trees, more towards the garbage?
Yeah, we'll start there.
Okay. Is that a CF Moto? Oh yeah. Got a CF Moto over there. We're going to be doing a little off-roading. Just going to this gravel. Alright, let me lock in for a second. I don't want to just absolutely die. We've driven the bike off-road one other time than this. So it should be pretty sweet. Say what?
Like Red Bulls.
Is that for me? I appreciate that. Thank you. What a pimp. Dude, I'm so glad we could get this shoot in finally.
Dude, oh my god.
It's been way too long.
It's taken us way too long to get this done.
Do you want me on the bike first?
Well, we'll give you some time to cool down.
Okay.
And then I'll just get my basic shots first.
Okay.
And then maybe we'll move to another location.
All right.
Off the bike, and then
We just finished up the shoot. Once again, go follow my boy's page. Super cool guy, super good photography. We're gonna ride home now. We gotta get out of this first. If I can without slipping on gravel would be the most ideal. There we go. We're gonna head home. Keep it pretty chill on the way back, just cruise, listen to music, just enjoy the beautiful day. We are gonna wrap today's video up though, right here. I appreciate everybody that stops by, supports the channel, supports the grind, and all the social medias as well. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. If you guys haven't yet, please subscribe. It only takes a couple seconds out of your guys' day. It is completely free to you guys, and it supports me like you guys would not imagine. Make sure you guys hit that little funny bell as well to the side of it. It notifies you guys when one of my video goes live, so you guys can stay in the loop with whatever's happening. With that being said though, once again, I really do appreciate everybody that stops by and supports. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!